Hi everyone, it's me, Madam Pamita, and I have a very special announcement. If you have ever wanted to learn how to read tarot with me, the author of Madam Pamita's Magical Tarot, well, now is your chance. And we have a beautiful flash sale going on right now. You and a friend can attend the class with just paying for one. It's a buy one, get one. Oh my gosh. So if you would like to take advantage of this flash sale, go to losangelestaroreader.com, order the class for yourself, and we will reach out to you with an email with the link to a coupon so that your friend can sign up for the same class for free. Oh my gosh, amazing. You can order the beginning, the advanced, and the professional level, but the sale only happens now between now and Saturday. So go now to losangelestaroreader.com and order all 3 classes or just one class, and we'll reach out to you and you can invite a friend. See you in class.